Greetings everyone, welcome to this channel again. In this video we are going to see types of cells in Jupyter Notebook. There are actually 3 types of cells in Jupyter Notebook. The first one is code cell, where you write and execute Python code, as we saw in the previous video. And the second one is markdown cell, which is used to display formatted text directly within the notebook for human readability using markdown syntax such as bold, italic, and the like. So this cell does not execute but renders based on the markdown syntax in the Jupyter Notebook. And the third one is called row cell. This one does not execute or renders in the Jupyter Notebook. It is actually intended for content to be processed by external tool like NBConvert after the notebook is saved. So if you want to see the effect of the row cells, so we need to use external tools like NBConvert. To understand how these cells work using external tool, we will see an example. So let's open our Jupyter Notebook. So as usual, we launch from the Anaconda Navigator, and so this is it, localhost. So let us come to our tutorial folder. Our tutorial folder is Python tutorial, so we double click on that, and then we create our second notebook file. Let us call it Python py cells. Okay, so we don't need this one, py cells, and then click on rename. So let's say print hello world, and let us this is a plus sign, is actually insert a cell below the current one, so we can print another with single quote, hello world, and let us create another cell, and let that cell be a markdown cell. So let's make it bold, and this is a markdown cell. Markdown cell, and this is a syntax to make it bold. And let's have also another node code cell, and let's make it markdown cell, bold, and also italic. This is again a markdown cell. Let's make it italic and bold. The syntax actually looks like HTML code, if you are familiar with HTML code. And let's save, and let me add another row cell. So okay, let me say bold. This is a row cell. Okay, and add another and mark it row cell, and let's make it bold and italic, and italic. This is a row cell again, and in this case we have italic and bold. So we want to make this text bold, and we want to make bold and italic. We want to italicize the text. So save. Now let's run. When I run this one, this is executed and displayed hello world. Okay, we can display this as well. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, so this, the bold makes it bold, and this one run bold and italic. So this is row cell run. Nothing happens. We have said that nothing will happen if you run row cell inside Jupyter Notebook, but the effect will be shown when we use external tools like NB convert. So let's use that one, and the requirement is we need to save. Okay, we need to save the notebook. We have saved it. So, and use the NB convert command so that we can see the effect when we change the document into HTML. So as you can see, the NB convert is a tool to convert Jupyter Notebook files into publishable or static formats like HTML. So using NB convert, we want to convert this file, the py file, into HTML and see the effect of these two lines. So to do so, we come to file and terminal. Okay, we come to file and terminal. So where is our file? Our file is on desktop. So change directory to desktop and cd python tutorial. I think it is like this. Yeah. Then we can list or ls or dir. List the files under Python tutorial. We have this. So we want to use external tool, Jupyter NB convert to HTML, and let's call the file py cell dot. We want to convert this file. What is this file? IPYNB, interactive Python notebook file, to HTML and see the effect of row cells. So you press enter. So we have saved, and using this NB convert command, we want to see the effect of row cells. So it is processing. So it seems that there is an error. NB convert to HTML py cell. So what is the error? Let's see the command. So Jupyter NB convert, we can use execute, is actually an optional one. Okay, Jupyter NB convert to HTML. Okay, we can execute while converting. So make sure you have saved this file. So let's check the command again. It is Jupyter NB convert to HTML, execute, and the file, our file is py cells in this case. Okay, so let's open our file. So it says there is an error. let's say dir. Okay, there is a pi sales. The file name is actually not pi, there is pi sales, sorry, pi sales. So actually this execute command forces this one to be executed while nb convert is converting to HTML. So this is the file is being converted to HTML. So the converting notebook into this one is in process, and finally we need to get a message confirming that the file has been converted to HTML. Yeah, so this file has to be created in the same folder. So let's check it is on the desktop, and then here Python tutorial, and here it is. So then, so as you can see here, this has been, this row, this is bold, as you can see here. Okay, let's check it. Let's check the py cell. So this is a row cell and this is a row cell. This one is bold. Save. So save, and the output is actually, so this one, this is again a markdown cell, this is a row cell, and this is a row cell. So what, this is a row cell, let's see, something is wrong, so we don't need this one. So let's save again and run everything to see the difference. So this is a row cell, let's call it to identify the difference, 1, and this is row cell, let's call it bold, and this one is bold and italic. Okay, so let's save it and run again. Okay, run it. Okay, so the file is being converted. Jupyter, the command is Jupyter, and we convert to HTML. This is actually optional if you want to execute the pi cell while being converted to NDB convert. So if you have already executed it, you can eliminate this command. So finally, the conversion should be confirmed. So this has been confirmed. So let me refresh and open PyCell. So as you can see here, this one is bold and this one is italic. So that means the effect of row cell is actually done using external command. Thank you for watching. I think you have understood the difference, and in the next video we will see why we write codes in different cells. Have a good time.